What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to analyze Ethereum again. After today, while waking up, I realized that today was actually quite a bullish day. Of course, relatively bullish because still over the last week it's very bearish. And the video about Ethereum yesterday did quite well. A lot of people were interested in it and the analysis was quite well as well. If we take a look at it today. So I just wanted to do like a short update on it. Yesterday the title was "Can Ethereum Flip Bitcoin?" So we talked about that yesterday. If you do want to hear that, if we take a look at today, you can see that Ethereum and Bitcoin are actually going up almost by the same amount. Ethereum a little bit more, dropped down a little bit more over the last week. But still, what we did yesterday as well, if you actually compare these levels with last year, you can see that Ethereum is holding at the same levels we were at last year when we reached that kind of like a small bear market, while Bitcoin, if we compare that, is more around these levels, if like Ethereum were Bitcoin, if you know what I mean. So it's still very strong, and if we take a look at Bitcoin or at Ethereum right now, what we said yesterday is that we did think this level was going to hold for the short term, so this level between 1700 and 1830, and that we could actually get back up to this 2070 level, which we did. So that's accurate, but I did want to add in this video that I think we can get higher than this. I think we can actually get, and it kind of depends, because like on the 4-hour time frame, I'd say we would actually need to break 2100, and right now we just rejected off of that. So if on the 4-hour time frame we actually close above 2100, then I think we can also reach this level up here. So we'd probably find resistance at the 382 fib. That's a really strong fib always. That's within that level. So the price point then would be $2,250. I think we can reach that. So then we might actually be able to extend that consolidation a little bit like this, which would also be more confirm what happened last year, because then after that final support down here, which was then 1730, we actually went up by 67%. And if that were to happen with us this year, that would mean going up all the way to 3000. Don't think that's possible. Do think something like this is possible. So a little bit more of a volatile consolidation. And I think that's great. First of all, because this move does confirm our theory about this level holding on a little bit longer. So this level between 1800 and 1700, which is great for the long term. For the short term, it's obviously still down from almost any point of time in the last months. Last half a year, almost last year. But still, it does tell us something more big about the whole market and about Ethereum and where it's going to stay. Like, if this is a real bear market, I don't think this level between 1700 and 1800 is going to hold. We would probably drop down to like this level at 1500 first. And with a real bear market, I do have the feeling I need to explain myself a little bit more. I mean something like 2018. 2018 was, if you don't remember anymore, we can check that out real quick. I think right here, I mean, this is a real bear market. Here we just dropped down and we dropped down and we dropped down. And we had some bullish moves, but they were not big bullish moves. I mean, here a little bit of a fake bullish move a couple of months, like 3 months after the biggest drop. After that, it was just a big downtrend. What we had last year is considered by many to be a bear market as well. There was something like this, but I didn't really call that a bear market, more like some bearish few months. And we still have the possibility to do that. I talked about the theory of not being able to go into a bear market with crypto anymore in streams at the beginning of this year. I might actually need to bring that theory back, because with this move we just got, and with the level we just reached, same as last year, I do think that there's a possibility to actually get something we had last year this year as well. So then we do have the possibility of a recovery at the end of the year or later this year. As of right now, though, it's a little bit difficult to talk about that, because obviously everything has happened too recently, and it's too difficult to actually assume certain things and to, yeah, that's the main thing, to assume certain things like that we're going to hold this 1700 level. If that's going to hold for the next like month, I think we have a fair confirmation to actually assume something like this. But obviously we would need to wait a month for that. So up until then, I will probably just update it and see what's happening and see what that means, and if that's more leaning towards one scenario rather than the other, and so forth. So yeah, that's basically my analysis on Ethereum. Might be a little bit of a long video, but I did want to discuss everything I wanted to discuss. If you do have anything you want to discuss, please let me know down in the comments. And if you have any questions about the analysis or anything I said about the theory and stuff, please let me know down in the comments as well. As for now, that's basically my video and my analysis. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.